How to make a website with Wix for free. You can actually create a website with Wix for free. However, if you choose the free plan, you won't be able to get additional features, and of course, you also won't be able to get your very own domain. So every time you create a website with Wix for free, Wix.com will always show up on the URL of your website. If you want a more professional look, then upgrading to a Wix premium plan would be good. But still, Wix's free websites are still really nice and useful. So, in order to create your website, of course, you're going to have to go to Wix.com and sign up. So, click on Get Started and start creating an account with Wix. Select however you'd like to sign up. You can use an email or you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Once you're done signing up, you'll be able to see this on your screen. So bring your ideas to life with AI. Get started faster with the help of AI. Tell us about yourself and get personalized tools, images, and text for your site. So basically, what this does is that Wix's AI will have a chat with you and ask you details and information about how you'd like your website to look and feel like, what features it would need, and if in case that's the option you want to go with, then click on Start Chat. But in case you'd like to just simply select templates, then click on Setup without AI. I personally like choosing templates because I think I'd be able to have creative freedom over how I'd like my website to look and feel like. So I'm going to choose this option. So what type of website do you want to create? There are several choices for you to choose from depending on what you'd like. So just basically input the type of website you want to create here. So I'm just going to click on blog since, yeah, I think I really like blogging, although I'm not a blogger. And there are actually more specific types of blog websites to choose from. Just choose one, but basically just a simple blog would do, for me at least, and we're going to click on continue. So our dashboard is being prepared. Right now we are being redirected to our new website's dashboard. And here it is. After you get redirected to your dashboard, you'll be able to see this pop up, especially if you've just recently created a new website. So what would you like to call your website? This will be used to customize your online experience. So input the name of your website over here. I'm just going to type in a random name, so I'm going to click on continue. What are your goals for this site? This is important because it will help Wix match you with tools and features to fit your needs. So since we're trying to create a blog site, I'm just gonna say share knowledge, display creative work, build a community, and promote myself. Basically, select everything that applies for you. I'm gonna click on continue. So now choose the apps you'd like to add. Give your site more functionality with Wix Business Solutions. If you think you need these, then click on them so that they'll be built in to your site. You can deselect one if you want to, and if you want to see more options, you can scroll down and select those that you think would be useful for your site. But no worries, you'll be able to see this option again on your editor. So all you have to do is just go to the apps, add apps button on your sidebar on your editor and you'll find all of these apps over there. So for now, we're going to continue. And then we're going to be asked to choose how we want to continue. In case you chose the AI option earlier, then click on this one. And in case you selected the template option earlier, then click on this one. And basically select a template that you'd like to use for your new blog site. There are plenty of options for you to choose from. Say, for example, this one. So you're just going to basically hover on top of it and click on Edit, and then you'll be routed to Okay, so this is our dashboard. And basically, the dashboard is where all of the magic happens. Oh, by the way, you'll be able to see this pop up the moment you are routed to your dashboard. So basically, this is just Wix letting you know that in case you need help with your content or texts, they have a writing assistant to assist you and guide you. I'm just going to click on exit, and yeah, this is what your editor looks like. So in case you'd like to quickly edit a section, click on that specific section, click on quick edit or this little pencil icon over here. They're basically the same. And once you do that, the side panel over here will appear. And over here is where you can easily customize everything. You can select a section background. You can change the image of your strip. You can also change the color of your strip if that's what you want. You can easily edit the title over here, as well as the paragraph, and even upload vector art, especially for your logo, if that's what you need. Once you're done editing, you can simply click on this exit button over here. And I'd like to tell you all about the tools that you can find on the sidebar. They're pretty much self-explanatory and very easy to navigate. So for Add Elements, this is where you want to go to in case you'd like to add a single element onto your website. For example, it could be an image, button, and so on and so forth. This is where you can find those kinds of elements. Add section, that is the next button over here. So basically, this is where you want to go to in case you'd like to add an entire section to your site. In case you'd like to add one, you can just simply click and drag it onto your page and drag it anywhere you want to place it, and it will be added there. Let's try to scroll down, and here it is. In case you want to move it, you can just click on that section and then like that. Oh, okay. So you can actually drag it, but you can move it up and down by using the arrows over here, like that. And if you want to delete a section, click on that section and hit the delete key on your keyboard, and it will be removed. Next, let's talk about pages and menu. Of course, your website is not only going to have a single page, of course, it's going to have multiple web pages. So this is where you want to go to in case you'd like to add pages to your website. So go to your site menu. You will be able to see all of your pages here. In case you'd like to add more pages, just click on Add Menu Item, click on Add New Page, and select the type of page you'd like to add. Say, for example, an About page. So you're going to select a template that you want to use. You can also add features like store, bookings, restaurants, blog, etc. Just depending on the type of page you'd like to add. So let's try to add one. For example, this. Click on Add Page. It's going to take a bit of time. But yeah, it's going to be added. You can rename your page however you want to. And once you're done, click on Done. And then we are going to talk about site design. So that is the next button. Site design is where you can change the look and feel of your website. So here you can change your site theme. You have the option to customize your color theme, text theme, page background, and even apply page transitions. Next, you have the Wix App Market. Basically, this is like the App Store or the Play Store of your Wix website. This is where you can find apps that you can add to your site to make it more functional. Yeah, so type in whatever you want to look for here. For example, if you'd like to add a chatbot, you can search for Wix Chat. And then once you select it, you can click on Add to Site to be able to add that feature to your site. So just basically use the search bar here to look for anything you might find useful. And then let's go to the My Business section. This is a very, very important tool because this is where you can do all of the processes of your website. For example, if you have a blog site, this is where you have the options to create your post, manage your blog, manage blog pages, customize post page, and add blog elements. And by the way, this is also where you can find the apps or features that you've added. So for example, here you have the Wix Forms and Payments. You can set all of these up according to your preferences. Next, we have the media. So of course, the media is where we can upload images, audio, video to Wix. And in case you want, and if you like to, you can actually import your files or your images, videos directly from your social media accounts to your Wix website. You just basically have to choose an option and then connect your social media links to Wix so that you'd be able to directly import them from your social media accounts to Wix. Therefore, you'd be able to easily access your images in no time. But in case you don't have images to import or upload, you can actually find free images from Wix's library. Not only do they have images, but they have videos as well, and they also have a video maker. So scroll down and find any option that would work for you best. Next, we have CMS. So use the CMS. Easily manage your site content. So set up content collections, create hundreds of dynamic pages, collect info from site visitors. In case this is something you need, you can click on Add to Site to be able to add this feature. And of course, to make things easier and faster, Wix now has AI tools. So find AI tools to complete and launch your site faster. So you have an AI designed to help you write. So create text per page. Get new text for an entire page at once using AI. You have the text creator, and you even have the section creator or section generator. So get a ready-to-use section with text and images for any page on your site. And if you want to know what this last button is, basically it's just the layers. This is where you can see the structure of your website. So first, of course, you have the header on the very top. You have one strip, and then you have another page, footer, etc. And if you want to customize a specific element on your website, just click on that element. For example, this menu over here, this menu element, you can click on it until you see the tools below. So the tools below you can choose from. You have Manage Menu, you have Navigate, you have Settings, you have Layout, you have Design, you have Animation as well. Then you have Stretch, in case you want to stretch it, and the Help, in case you have any inquiries. And once you're done, you can click on Save. But if you're ready to publish your website, you can click on Publish. And that's all. We hope you found today's video of help somehow, and if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.